Hello everyone. Here again I came with new science preparatory video. Okay. So before going to start, I wish you all a very happy Janmashtami. Okay. Now let's continue with our preparatory video. Okay, so in upcoming week we will do from lesson number 7 soil erosion and conservation. We will do first some textbook work, that is fill in the blanks and true and false, which is given in page number 63 and 64. Okay, so after completion of true and false and fill in the blanks, we will do some notebook work, that is dictation words. So here are total 11 dictation words from lesson number 7. First word is erosion, second is barren, third is deforestation, fourth is overgrazing, fifth is conservation, sixth is resources, seventh is afforestation, eighth one is platform, ninth is embankment, 10th is flooding, and the 11th one is harvesting. Okay, so after dictation words we will do scientific terms. So there are total 6 scientific terms are from this chapter. So number 1 is soil. So soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plant grows. Second is soil erosion, the carrying away of the top fertile layer of soil. Number 3 is soil conservation. What is soil conservation? Prevention of soil erosion, right? Number 4 is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees in large number. Okay, and number 5 is afforestation, planting of trees in large numbers, and number 6 is terrace farming, farming done on steps on hill slope. Okay, so after completion scientific terms we will continue with question answers. So in this chapter there are total 11 question answers are given here. So number 1 is how is soil formed? So soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks into very tiny pieces due to the action of heat, rain and wind. Number 2 is what is soil erosion? So soil erosion is the process by which the top fertile layers of soil is lost, right? Number 3 is what are the agents of soil erosion? So the agents of soil erosion are wind, water and human activities like deforestation. Okay. Number 4 is what is soil conservation? So soil conservation is the protection of soil against erosion, or you can say soil conservation is the prevention of soil erosion. Number 5 is how can soil be conserved? So the answer is soil can be conserved by afforestation, terrace farming, building embankment and growing cover crops. Okay. Number 6 is distinguish between afforestation and deforestation. So planting of trees in large number is known as afforestation and it's help to prevent soil erosion, and cutting down of trees in large numbers is known as deforestation and it causes soil erosion. Okay, number 7 is how does terrace farming prevent soil erosion? So terrace farming involves cutting of steps on hill slope that slow down the flow of water, right? Okay. Number 8 is list some human activities that cause soil erosion. So some human activities that cause soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing by cattle and plugging of hillsides. Okay, number 9 is how is the fertility of soil lost due to soil erosion? So the answer is fertility of soil is lost due to soil erosion because when the top fertile layer of the soil is lost, land becomes barren and cannot support life, or you can say cannot support any form of life, right? Number 10 is why should we grow cover crops after a crop has been harvested? So the answer is to prevent the soil from being blown away, we should grow cover crops after a crop is harvested. Number 11 is, why is soil a valuable natural resource? Answer is, soil is a valuable natural resource because it provides a home to small animals and plants, and minerals and ores are also obtained from it. Okay? Now, after this, from this chapter, we will do give reason for each. That is given in exercise D, page number 64. Okay. So, number 1 is afforestation prevents soil erosion. Reason, because if this happened, land became barren and cannot support any form of life. Number 2 is terrace farming should be encouraged. So the reason is because it slows down the flow of water on hill slopes and reduce soil erosion. Number 3 is grass should be grown on barren land. Reason is because its roots hold the soil together and prevent it from being blown away. Okay. Number 4 is embankment should be constructed along river bank. So the reason is because they help to control floods which cause loss of soil. Number 5 is overgrazing by cattle should be prevented. So the reason is because it causes soil erosion and makes the land barren. Okay? Have a nice day, children.